Assalamu alaikum students and parents. I am your English teacher. Today we are going to discuss worksheet 3. I am requesting parents please to purchase textbooks because from this worksheet we are going to give the worksheet from textbook itself. If you have textbook, it will be easy for the students to complete the worksheet. पेरेंट्स से गुजारिश है कि वो अपने बच्चों के लिए टेक्स्ट बुक्स ऑफिस से खरीदे। टेक्स्ट बुक्स अगर खरीदेंगे तो आपको बच्चों को वर्कशीट कराने में आसानी होगी। ओके, टुडे लेट अस डिस्कस। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट फर्स्ट क्लास वर्कशीट इंग्लिश, वर्कशीट 3 इंग्लिश, सब्जेक्ट इज इंग्लिश एंड क्लास इज फर्स्ट। Previously, we have discussed only one paragraph about Bilal, about good habits. From first worksheet, I am giving you only about good habits. Today, let us learn what good habits a student should have or a boy or girl should have. Good habits. Bilal is in grade 1. He is 6 years old. He lives in Agra. Dr. Arif is Bilal's father. Dr. Arif is a dentist. Mrs. Naz is Bilal's mother. Okay, the student name here is Bilal. What he is doing? He is studying in grade 1. Grade 1 means in class 1. How many years old he is? He is 6 years old. He lives in Agra. Dr. Arif is Bilal's father. Dr. Arif is a dentist. Mrs. Naz is Bilal's mother. This is a paragraph. Now let us frame some questions and answers from this paragraph. Read it carefully. You have to read perfectly. If you read this, then it will be easy for you to answer the questions. First, answer the following question. First question is, in which grade grade means here class Bilal is? Answer, Bilal is in first grade or first class. Second question, how many years old Bilal is? How many years old Bilal is? Bilal is 6 years old. Third question, where does Bilal live? Bilal lives in Agra. Fourth question, what is the name of Bilal's father? What is the name of Bilal's father? Dr. Arif is Bilal's father. Next question. What is Dr. Arif? What is Dr. Arif? Dr. Arif is a dentist. Sixth question. Who is Bilal's mother? Mrs. Naz is Bilal's mother. These are the question and answers from the paragraph. In which grade Bilal is? Bilal is in first grade. How many years old Bilal is? Bilal is 6 years old. Where does Bilal live? Bilal lives in Agra. What is the name of Bilal's father? Dr. Arif is Bilal's father. What is Dr. Arif? Dr. Arif is a dentist. Who is a dentist? A doctor who cured the disease of a teeth or tooth decay. Decay बोलते खराब होना. जो दांतों का इलाज करते हैं उनको बोलते हैं डेंटिस्ट. Who is Bilal's mother? Mrs. Naz is Bilal's mother. By this we have completed first worksheet. You have to write this question answers in your classwork one time. And you have to read this perfectly. Second bit. About Bilal only. Bilal gets up early. He says, Assalamu alaikum. He makes wudu. He goes to the masjid. For Fajr. He plays cricket in the evening. He does his homework on time. Again, from this paragraph, we have made some questions. As we all get early, what early to bed and early to rise is a good habit. Here also, Bilal, he goes to bed early, he gets up early. Bilal gets up early. Early बोलते हैं सुबह जल्दी उठ जाना. When we wake up, what we will do? First, we will wish. We say Assalamu alaikum. It means we are wishing to our parents or elders, those who are at home. What does he make? He makes wudu. वजू बना के कहाँ पर जा रहे हैं? He goes to the masjid for Fajr. To offer Fajr namaz, he is going to masjid. He plays cricket in the evening. Physical exercise is important for us. So what he is doing? He is going to play cricket in the evening. And at last he does his homework on time. तो यहाँ पर उन्होंने खेल रहे हैं, कूद रहे हैं, नमाज पढ़ रहे हैं, जल्दी उठ रहे हैं और अपना काम भी टाइम पे कर रहे हैं. ये सब क्या है? These are all put together. They are good habits. Waking up early, wishing the elders, going to masjid, so to offer namaz, to offer salah. Physical exercise is important. Going to play cricket in the evening and doing the homework in time, that is also one of the important good habits that Bilal has. I wish all the children should have good habits as Bilal has. Next, lastly, there is one note for you. Cleanliness is a very important part of इस्लाम. हम बोलते हैं ना, ताकि आधा ईमान है बोल के, उसी तरह हम साफ सफाई भी रखना है, खुद को भी और अपने अतराफ भी साफ सफाई होना जरूरी है. क्लीनलीनेस बोलते हो साफ सफाई. क्लीनलीनेस इज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इस्लाम. By this we have completed third worksheet of first class.